Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see what are the pervasive security mechanisms. So, what is this pervasive security mechanisms means? These are not applicable to only particular layer or only particular mechanism. So, this will be applied basically to all the layers or all the mechanisms. Okay. First one is trusted functionality. So, this means the data which is being sent from the sender to receiver, they will be correct with respect to some criteria. That means they'll use some criteria and they'll make sure that the sender is the correct one and the receiver is the correct one. Next, second one is security level. So they will make sure that the resources, sender resource and the receiver resources are receiving the data which is more secure during the network. That means no other modifications are allowed in between the transmission. So that security level is maintained or assured. Next one, event detection. This means what they will do is whenever the data is being transmitted from the sender to receiver, they will make sure that they will detect the events here means any kind of hacking or fraud, those type of events are nothing are happening between the transmission. So they will just they will find any other way to detect if there are any such kind of activities happening in between the transmission. And the next one is security audit trial. So what is the security audit trial means? Generally audit refers to the reviewing or evaluating or examining. So the security audit trial, what it will do is whenever the data is being transmitted from the sender to receiver, they will examine the data or they will examine the complete procedure, so such that no other persons are really listening to their conversation, no other actual hackers are trying to hack the data when being transmitted from the sender to receiver. So all those things they will evaluate the performance or they'll examine the process, complete process. And security recovery, so this will deal with the request from the mechanisms like event handling and message or management functions, and they'll take recovery action. That means if for example when the data is being transmitted from the one end to other end, so due to some weak security mechanisms, sometimes the data got hacked or the data the channel is accessible to some hacker or all the people. So what they will do, they will recover the security. That means they will take necessary actions such that the security will be recovered. That means no kind of hacking or no kind of threat will be occurred in future. So that is what his security recovery means. Thank you.